Assalamu alaikum. Winter is almost there in our side of the hemisphere. Most of us experience respiratory issues and cold allergies during workouts, especially outdoors. How to overcome this and how can we continue an active lifestyle irrespective of the season, weather, and temperature?
It's a very good question. Cold weather and dropping mercury brings a lot of challenges for the outdoor enthusiasts, especially when there is a transition phase, when the temperature is changing. The pathogens, the disease causing germs, they survive longer on the cold surfaces, thus, they facilitate the transmission of diseases. And we sneeze and we have a lot of cough all around. So, how to overcome all these challenges? First and the topmost is select that part of the day when you notice that the air quality index is better. Whenever possible, try to avoid the smog and fog to the maximum you can. I always say that wearing a mask does not affect your oxygen saturation if you are healthy. So wear a mask with a proper technique. This way you can avoid a lot of particles getting into your airways and causing an irritation or infection. Layer yourself properly instead of having one very heavy layer on your body, like a down jacket or something. During your workouts, it's always better to use multi layers. When you're feeling overheated, avoid getting a cold shock. Do not remove all your layers all of a sudden. Go gradual. Go for the green tea, go for the fruit juices, seasonal fruits, and go for the green tea with a little bit cinnamon, cardamom, and dried ginger added on it. Stay hydrated, stay properly, thoroughly layered, wear mask, and keep up the good work. Carry on with your workouts. Carry on with your workouts. Thank you very much.